So hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we will talk about negative Google reviews. So why we are creating this kind of video and why you need to watch this video. Basically, if you are into the business where your Google reviews and customer reviews are very important to generate more revenue and sales, then you must watch this video. Right now in India, if you see like whether you are running a restaurant or any kind of business, reviews uh, helps to generate more sales. Okay, so if you have a positive Google review on your Google My Business profile, definitely you will get more sales, more business, and then more profit. If negative reviews, then definitely your sales may go down, or you will not get business according to your expectation. So with the help of this video, you can generate more positive reviews and you can reduce negative Google reviews. What you need to do, you just need to watch this entire video and and you just need to follow the step which I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's move to another slide, which is step 1. You just need to log in into your Google My Business profile with your registered email address. Okay, so the moment you will log in with the registered email address, then search your brand name. So let's say in this case our brand name is SMS India. If we search on the right hand side, you will see this profile. This is our Google My Business profile. So this is the first step. Then follow the step 2. So the moment you will search, you will see the option called Google review. So here you can see for this particular business we have a 169 Google reviews. Okay, so you need to click on this 169 Google reviews. Okay, so the moment you will click, it will redirect you on the another page where you will see the option to reply to review or get more reviews. You need to click on get more review. Okay, so once you will click on get more review, it will again redirect you on the another page or the window where you will see these things. Okay, so this is your Google review link URL. You just need to copy. Okay, click on the this icon, so the URL will copy. Then you need to follow the another step, which is step 5. You need to log in with into autoresponder account. Now what is autoresponder? Autoresponder is our software where we help business owner to manage leads, sales, appointment, reviews, sales team, calendar management, multiple things you can do with the help of this software. So you just need to create your account. Okay, you can directly call to our sales team. They will help you to create the account, or you can directly click on the register button and then you can create the account. Okay. So once you create the account, you need to log in. Okay, so let me show you how this will the moment you will log in, how it will it look like. So it will look like this. Okay, here you will see the dashboard, then the multiple option like marketing source, product and services, sales automation, lead automation, pipeline management, workflow management, multiple things. You need to click on this Google review. You need to click on this Google review. Okay, and then click on configuration. So in the same slide, I'm also saying then you need to log in and then click on the Google review. Okay, the moment you will click on Google review, you need to click on configuration. Okay, then it will redirect you on this page. Okay, so this is the review URL page. So you need to copy and paste the same thing which you copied from your Google business profile. Okay, you just need to paste here. Okay, and then click on save. Once you will save, you need to click on store outlet. Here you will see the store outlet. Here you will see the store outlet. Just click on store outlet and it will redirect you on the another page. Here you need to click on create store. Just click on create store and give the name of the store. So let's say ABC store. Okay, ABC store, and click on save. So what would happen? Your store will be created if you click on Google review and then click on store. Okay, so here you will see the name of your store. Okay, now what you need to do, you just need to click on view QR code or print QR code. Okay, so if you click on view QR code, it will again redirect you on the page where you can see this QR code. Okay, so you just need to download this QR code and print on your table, or you can use any kind of like stand where you can print this and you put it on the table or your billing counter or anywhere where you wanted to capture the review. It's a very simple process to get the review, because when you ask somebody to rate your service, product or anything, they need to search your company, and then they need to follow the very long process. Okay, but with the help of this QR code they can just scan, okay, and then they will get the option to rate your business 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Okay, so let's say somebody giving you uh, 3 rating or 2 rating or 1 rating, then what would happen? This review will not go to the Google profile. Here you can see. So let's say for this particular customer Rakesh, they give the rating 3. So this review is still with our system. But the moment somebody gives you the rating like 4 and 5, those review will publish on the Google profile. So this is the very simple process. You can ask your each and every client to rate. It's because it's very simple. They can simply scan and they can rate. Okay, so this is the fastest way to capture more review. Okay, and more review you will get, definitely your Google profile will rank, and you will get more business and more revenue. Okay. If you like this product, or if you wanted to opt this service, then you can call this number. Okay, or you need a live demo, you can call on the same number. Okay, so this is how you can increase your Google review, and you can reduce your negative reviews. Okay, this is our company detail. Our company name is Cloud Wireless Technologies India Private Limited. If you think you wanted to opt this service, you can call on this number or mail us. I hope this video you like, and if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can. Thank you. Thanks for watching.